Hey guys, it's Brock here from Shark Leathers. We're just doing a quick video on how to fit a SCS S9 unit. So once we get the unit, open it all up. So inside the box we've got the base plate with the speakers, got the wired mic, all your Velcro pads and your mounting kit, then your charger and your boom mic. Boom mic's only for open face helmets, so I wouldn't worry about it unless you got one of them. So now comes the fun part of fitting it. So don't be shy when you're taking out all your cheek pads. They do all just slide out unless you've got a helmet that doesn't have removable cheek pads. So once that, you can take the back off. So you're left with a base shell. Now what we do is open up your bag of Velcros. These are like little extenders for it, so you can whack them in first and then put your Velcro bit on top. So that just pretty much pushes out the speaker. So if your ears aren't sitting flush with it or you don't hear the volume as well, give them a try first. For this one I won't use them. So we just get the Velcros off, put them in the ear grooves. Most helmets don't have ear grooves as well, so don't be stressing if you don't have it on yours. Just line it up where you think your ears will be. And you don't have the huge Velcro pad as well, so you can move it around and fix it up with it. Now we're taking this out. So this is your base plate clip with your two speakers. Obviously this one goes to the far side because it's got a bit longer of a cable. Now when we're putting the clip on, you've got to make sure you whack this little rubber plate on it first. So I'll take this off. What this does is when it's on the helmet, it just gives it a different surface to hang on to. So whack it on there just like that. So you barely even notice it's there. Grab your clip now. Be careful with this little wire here when you're putting it in. So you got to kind of bend that in there on the side and do that one as well. And push them down. There is your clip on, done and dusted. What you do is put it in on the side of the helmet now. Just work its way down. Now she's in. You can adjust it a little later as well. So, one speaker over there, one speaker there. Grab the back of your liner, one clip and two clip. Keep that cable there. There are your cables hidden away and not seen. Now you grab your wired mic time. Grab it out, get your little Velcro bit. Back it in the front of the helmet there, just like so. There you go. Plug it into the base plate, attach it to the Velcro. Now, reassembling your helmet. Make sure you line up everything right. Onto that little rubber lip there. Go back. Going to open up your visor. It makes it a bit easy to do up all your other little clips in there. Make sure when you're doing your back clip, if your helmet does have it, you don't hit any of the cables, otherwise you will damage them. Last one. You have to get a little bit of cable slack with this. You may have to undo the back, get a bit more, then redo it up. So Now all your 2 cables there, slide down the side of the helmet with your cheek pad. And then sits in nicely. Same thing again, just got to put this cheek pad back through. Make sure you're not hitting any of the wires with your clips. Do up your back one, and that's it fitted there.
Round 2.
Then slide your unit on and you're done. Too easy.